Hey guys, welcome back to Explore with Eli. Today we're gonna make my favorite corn dogs. We got a cup of flour and 1 cup of cornmeal and half-quarter cup of sugar. So first, let's add some flour. Then some cornmeal, then some sugar. We have a teaspoon cup of baking powder. Let's go ahead and dump it in. Now let's mix. This is so beautiful. Whoa. Hey guys, so you gotta make sure that the dry stuff is this color, all them together. And now let's add some salt and pepper. Or you can do pepper before salt. Okay, so we have 1 cup of milk, and it's going in. Be careful. Wow. Okay. Hey guys, we have a brown egg right here. It's so cold. Whoa, guys. This is my, 2nd time cracking open an egg. Whoa. My gosh. Whoa. Make sure it's a cookie dough color, like this, and it smells super good. Hey guys, so we're gonna add this secret ingredient, honey. Don't tell anyone. Okay, gotta wait until the honey gets down. Let's squeeze. Gotta make sure sweets, mama. My gosh, the squirrel is like glue now. When it hits the batter, it's like, yeah, awake. Scale of honey is in there. 1 final stir and it should be good. Voila. That smells so good. Taste. A little sweeter. We have some hot dogs, but we gotta pack them dry. Let's first get them on the paper towel. Oh, these are literally cold. They smell like hot dog, like they're supposed to. Pop, 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 pop. Pop, 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 pop. Just put them back on the plate. 1 hot dog, 2 hot dog, 3 hot dog, and 4 hot dog. Now skewer them. Hold on. Wow. 1 hot dog done. Mistake. Right. Hot dog. And whoa. 4 hot dog. Whoa. Now got hot dogs on a stick. If you want to make hot dogs on a stick, you just need wooden skewers like these and hot dogs. While we wait for the oil to start getting hot more, getting a little burnt, let's do it 10-second dance. We have to use this tool to see how hot the grease is in the water. 80. 10-second, another 10-second dance. 173. Hey guys, look at the temperature. Just wait. It's almost there. Our oil is at 375. It's supposed to be like that. Now, these bugs in. The oil is very hot and dangerous. Make sure you have an adult filming if you want to do a corn dog video, or like a robot vacuum video, or like outside video. Well, you need a grown up to film. You have to coat your corn dog first before you stick it in the oil. Hold on, just let it drip. Quick. Gotta let it boil. Oh my god. Just let it sit. Look at that. Wow. That's so cool. Wonder how to. It should be golden brown, then take it out. Oh my gosh. It's all done. The first one didn't do so good. I think you need more skill to, make corn dogs. If you're a pro at this, and you forgot some ingredients, you can watch this video. And, we have to make the batter a little thicker and pull it out quicker. Hey, that rhymes. Voila. Okay. Get it. Okay. Wow, that's the golden color we need. Yeah, that one's more brown, but this one is perfect. This is so good. I'll start. If you have extra dough, you can just spoon it into the oil and make Hush Puppies. Thank you for joining me, and it's my turn to enjoy my hard work. Peace out.